Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and this is my view in Fewer Than Two. Computers in your brain. It's coming. I'm kind of looking forward to the day. I'm kind of scared because, technology is good, but, imagine having something baked into you that you couldn't easily remove. Like these glasses here, I can take off at the end of the day, and then everything's blurry, and then I put them back on, and I can see again. Well, imagine having a computer chip inside your brain to do what? I don't know, what can computers do these days? Like, what? Really? I mean, the sky is the limit. Our imagination may very well be the limit. The technology itself may not be the limit at some point in the near future. Elon Musk, yes, I'm going to talk Elon because it's a day that ends in Y, has now been cleared to start trials with humans and putting microchips in their heads. So Elon Musk, he's a guy I don't even trust to spend $8 on to give me a blue check. I don't really trust the cars that he's tied to. I don't trust the blue check stuff. The SpaceX stuff is interesting. But the whole he's at the forefront of putting chips inside our head. Wasn't that like the mark of the beast in the Bible? The people that you wear wasn't that it? I seem to remember that the augmentation. So I'm all for augmentation. I am. Absolutely 110%. Like, I'm in. I just don't know if I would trust Elon to be the person to do it.